Hello and welcome back to our channel, Trustworthy. If you are new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and join the channel. In our last video, we transformed the beloved Casio AE1200 with the SKX Casio Royale case, a mod that took this classic watch to a whole new level. But today, we are going even further. We'll be applying a screen color filter to the AE1200, giving it an entirely new personality. So buckle up because this is going to be a fun ride. Before we dive into the screen filter mod, let's quickly recap what we did in the last video. We unboxed the SKXMOD case, swapped the AE1200 internals into the premium stainless steel body, and finished it off with a stunning leather strap. As a result, we have a stylish, durable upgrade that combined the charm of the original AE1200 with the refinement of a high-end watch. But why stop there, right? Let's make it even more unique. Now, for today's mod, we'll be using these screen color filters from Oglog. It's a simple accessory that allows you to customize the AE1200's digital display by adding a tinted film over the screen. The kit I have got here includes several color options like blue, green, red, yellow, and so many gradient color options. For today's video, I'm going to use red, yellow, green, blue color, but I haven't decided which color will go where. And I think it'll look fantastic with the stainless steel case and the leather strap. Now, to apply the color filter screen, we first need to reopen the SKX case. If you have watched the part 1, you already know the drill. Let's start by removing the 4 screws on the case back using the flathead screwdriver that came with the kit. Once the back is off, we'll gently remove the digital panel again. And with the help of the plastic tweezers, we'll remove the faceplate. And always remember to work in a clean, dust-free environment to keep the internals pristine. So we have divided the display area in 4 parts: alarm, map, digital clock, and analog clock. For the alarm section, I'll be using the red color. While cutting the film, always use a scissor to get a clean cut. Let's apply the red color filter on the alarm section, and for the measurements, I'm using the faceplate. I'm using this flathead screwdriver to put the filter on its perfect position. You can also use the plastic tweezer. Now let's check the filter through the faceplate to see if it's filling in properly or visible from other places. And I guess it's seated pretty well. For the digital clock, I'm thinking to go with the gradient lime color. And for the analog clock, I'm going with the blue color. That leaves the map. And I think yellow will look good on the map section. Let's apply the blue filter on the analog clock first. So I have taken the measurements. And let's check the filter through the faceplate. And now let's apply it. Yeah, it looks fine. Sorry, it went little off cam, but for digital panel, we have applied gradient lime color. Now for map, we are using the yellow filter. Now let's check it one final time through the faceplate. It looks awesome, isn't it? Now I'm applying some paper marking tape on the display so that it wouldn't get any scratches. And I'm also going to use the same tape to pick up the dust particle from the inside. Let me put the faceplate first, and now we have to push it gently with the tweezers. And now we are installing the digital panel. Let's adjust the buttons. This rubber gasket looks very dry. Let me use some silicone oil to lube it. I guess it's ready for the watch now. Now let me apply the case back and secure it with the screws. And always remember, first one rotation anti-clockwise and then the clockwise to tighten it. And it's time to try this on. I must admit, it's a face turner and a conversation starter. Thank you for watching the video till the end. And remember, every great collection starts with a watch that's truly wrist-worthy. If this video has helped you to decide on SKXMOD, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell icon to stay updated with more watch content. Let us know in the comments. If you are considering a SKXMOD for any of your watches, do share the pictures of your mods on Instagram and Facebook. So that's it for now. I'll see you in the next one. Until next time, keep it classy and stay wrist-worthy.